Next part we'll talk a little bit about is the cleaning and maintenance. We'll kind of go over all these parts again. But as far as the cleaning goes, on the side you have an air intake filter, because really this is an air pump. This will pop open. There's a little notch on the back of that, which will bring that door open. If you grab and pull, this will pop up. Check this filter every 2 weeks. If it looks dirty, throw it away, put a new one in there. It's like your furnace filter at home. If it looks gross, it is, chuck it. I do, now this is one from the manufacturer, but I send everybody home with hypoallergenic filters just because they catch more stuff. I've seen a lot of CPAPs on the market after a couple years get really a lot of dust in there if they're using the manufacturer's filters, and it'll kind of make them whiny just because of the dust buildup in there. Next piece, we'll stay back here actually, is your tubing, and as I showed you before, you just squeeze right here. It's going to come out, and the easiest way that I found to clean this out is just put a squeeze of dish soap right in here, and then this fits just about perfectly on a sink faucet. If you wiggle it on there, turn the faucet on, and the water pressure flushes that tube pretty well. Now the manufacturer says to do that daily. If that seems to be a little much, what I might recommend is doing it just once a week. You can get this electrical connection wet. Just make sure it air dries before you plug it in. If you feel like you want a little bit more germ fighting power, you can do a water vinegar solution. So 4 parts water, 1 part vinegar, and let this soak in there, or run that solution through the tube, and it's a good mild disinfectant. Again, it'll just kind of plug back in the back here. Same thing on the humidifier chamber. If you, they do recommend to wash it once a week. If you grab and pull, this will pop out. Right here again, it pops up. The manufacturer recommends to let this air dry every day, empty any excess water out, but wash it once a week, mild detergent. But you can also do that water vinegar solution to get a little bit of extra antibacterial power there.